सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धेर्गृह्यतु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं नमस्तोऽन्यत् इति मे निश्चितामतिः। Page 70, 6th line. आयुर्वेदोक्त रोगतन्निदानस्थान औषधादीनां रोगतन्निदानस्थान औषधादीनां ज्ञानम् इतर संस्कृत वैद्यग्रन्थैः ज्ञानम् इतर संस्कृत वैद्यग्रन्थैः प्राकृतभाषादिग्रन्थैश्च यथा सममेवोत्पद्यते तथा सर्वेषां प्रत्यक्चैतन्य अभिन्न अद्वितीय ब्रह्मज्ञानमपि पौरुषेयग्रन्थैरपि जायेतैव। Nischala-dasa, in this third taranga, third chapter, talking about the characteristics of a Shrotriya Brahmanistha Guru and the characteristics of a disciple, Guru Lakshanam and Sishya Lakshanam. The topic was over, 2 topics. Then the third topic he took was the importance of the study from a Guru, importance of or significance of study of scriptures from a Guru directly is very, very important. Having said this, Guru Lakshanam, Sishya Lakshanam and Guru Pradhanyata, Shravana Pradhanyata. Now he is talking about even other Paurusheya Granthas also can give this Brahma Jnanam if they are in keeping with Upanishadic teaching. All other Prakarana Granthas or commentaries, all of them also can provide this knowledge for that person, seeker. Even in mother tongue also, Bhasha Granthas, we have 14 languages. Even in 14 languages, any one language, you listen to Mahavakya, Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, all these Mahavakyas are able to give moksha. But Purvapakshi says, Vedartha Vakyam only gives moksha, not any other language. Other than Upanishads, any other language, other Paurusheya Granthas, they cannot give moksha, is contention. Nischala-dasa negating that. And I said in the last class, you can look into the previous page, 69. 114th topic. One word I said I will refer next time and I will tell you. I said third line, Natvitaraihi Paurusheyaihi is there. There is no printing mistake, that correct only. Paurushe means Smriti Granthas. Taking the Smriti Granthas and studying Bhagavad Gita or other commentaries or any Prakarana Granthas. Even Gaudapadacharya Karika also comes under Smriti only. If you study Gaudapadacharya Karika also, you won't get moksha. It is not acceptable. Anubhava Viruddham. Definitely one will get Atma Jnanam by studying Karikas. So, because they are all backed by Upanishadic teaching, therefore, Paurushe, that word, Yaihi Samskrita Granthairva, by Samskrita or any other language, Itaraihi, all other Paurusheya Granthas. That is correct only. Paurushe Yaihi. Now, he said, given the example of Ayurveda, just as an Ayurveda doctor, even though he is not studying the original Ayurveda, which is the Veda like Upaveda Ayurveda. One of the Upaveda is Ayurveda. But all Ayurveda doctors are not studying that Upaveda Ayurveda. Ayurveda, which is Upaveda, all doctors are not studying, even none of the doctor is studying nowadays. Many Ayurveda doctors do not know Sanskritam at all. They are studying only in their mother tongue, Tamil or Malayalam or Telugu or anything. And other Samskrita Granthas written by other Charaka, etc., some Maharshis. And that doctor giving medicine, Ayurveda medicine, that patient also get cured from his disease. There is no doubt in that. Therefore, he gives that example. Ayurvedokta, that Ayurveda, Pitta, Kapha, Vata. Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Vatasya, Pittasya, Kapasya. That Nidanam, that method of giving medicine, Roga tan Nidanas Sthana Aushadadinam. Those medicines, Ayurveda medicines, which are meant for that for the removal of that disease, to cure that disease, Aushadhadinam, Jnanam Itara Samskrita Vaidya Granthaihi, that knowledge of Ayurveda, Jnanam, knowledge of Ayurveda. Itara Samskrita Granthaihi, from other Sanskrit works only they are getting, not from Ayurveda, Upaveda directly. Like that, Prakrita Bhashadi Granthaischa, even they not only Samskrita Ayurveda Granthas written by other people, even their own mother tongue also, local language, whatever regional language available, yatha samameva utpadyate tatha. Samameva utpadyate means the cure of that disease. Either you read Upaveda of Ayurveda straight away, or you read this Bhasha Grantha also of Ayurveda. What is the phalam? Roga Nivaranam is same phalam. There is no difference in that. Yatha sarvesham, similarly. Tadha, similarly. Now he is coming to the Ashtanta. Drishtanta is over. Sarvesham, for all people, Pratyak Chaitanyam, the inner self. Pratyak means inner. Chaitanya means consciousness, self. The inner self, what is its nature? Abhinna Advitiya. That self is non-different from me. One is recognizing Advitiya, secondless, Brahmajnanamapi. This type of Brahman knowledge. Paurusheya Granthairapi Jayeta Eva. By Paurusha Granthas. Paurusheya means Smriti Granthas written by Acharyas. Sureshwaracharya, Vidyaranya, Shankaracharya, many Acharyas, including Vyasacharya. That's what he is going to mention, all of them. Paurusheya Granthairapi Jayeta Eva, knowledge arise. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we'll read. Ataha eva Sarvajna Munibhihi Maharshibhihi Brahmanishtaihi Vedantarthanuvadakaihi Smriti Itihasa Purana Adi Bahu Granthaihi Advitiya Brahmatma Vidyam Sputam Vibruta Vartate Vinaupanishadam Jnanam Chenotpadyeta Tadataihi Smrutyadi Pranayanam Vyartham Prasajyeta Tasmadupanishada Avirodhena Tasmadupanishadam Avirodhena Atmaswarupa Pratipadana Paraihi Yaihi Kaischidapi Granthaihi Jnanam Jayetaiva Ityabhyupagantavyam Tat Pratipadaka Vakyani Vaidikani va astu Bhashantara bhutani va Naivasti visheshaha Evancha Paurusheya Granthairapi Jnanam Jayeteti Siddham Ataha eva. Therefore, because just as the Ayurveda, any other language, that book doctor read and learn that medicine and gives medicine to the patient, he is giving phalam to that patient. Similarly, why can't this Vedanta Granthas also can give the same way that knowledge, Brahma Jnanam, Ataha eva, because of that above said reason. Sarvajna Munibhihi. Sarvajna Muni means the author of Smriti Granthas, Vyasacharya. Sarvajna Muni is called Vyasacharya. By him, Maharshibhihi, by Narada Maharshi, Yajnavalkya Maharshi, so many other, they have written so many Granthas, Maharshibhihi, Brahmanishtaihi, many Jnanis, Vidyaranya, Sureshwaracharya, Shankaracharya, Gaudapadacharya, all they are all Brahmanishtas. Vedantarthanuvadakaihi, by those people who are the translators, commentators. Anuvadaka means translation, commentators. By them, Smriti Itihasa Puranadi Bahu Granthaihi. What are all written? Smriti Granthas, Bharatam, Ramayanam, Puranas, 18 Puranas, main Puranas, and 18 Upapuranas, totally 36 Puranas. Itihasa means Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana, Adipadat, other Prakarana Granthas, etc. Bahu Granthaihi, then many Granthas are there. What we are getting from them? Advitiya Brahmatma Vidya. That Brahma Vidya, which is Advaitam Brahma, Advitiyam, secondless Brahman. Brahman is only one, that knowledge. Ekam Brahma Jnanam. Sputam Vivruta Vartate. Sputam, clearly. Vivruta, very clearly, elaborately, people are able to understand that we are seeing. Vartate means we are seeing. In our Anubhava, we are seeing like that so many jnanis. They were all not read originals, even by those granthas written by great acharyas. Vartate eva. Vina Upanishada. Without Upanishads, Jnanam na utpadyeta chet. If you say Jnanam will not be generated without Upanishadic study. Vina Upanishada means without Upanishadic study, Jnanam will not come if you say so. Purvapakshi, oh Purvapakshi, if you say, what will happen tada? Then Taihi Smrityadi Pranayanam Vyartham Prasajjeta. All these Smriti Granthas, you cannot study Bhagavad Gita because it comes under Smriti. Mahabharata, Ramayana, Puranas, you are not supposed to do because all comes under Smriti Grantha, Smrityadi, all Smriti and Bhashyams and Prakarana Granthas. Pranayana means Prakarana Granthas. Vyartham Prasajjeta. Vyartham means they are useless, futile, meaningless, redundant. Prasajjeta means that will occur. All are useless. You have to close all books. Only Upanishads you have to keep. No libraries, no other books at all. No Higginbothams. No libraries at all. Prasajjeta. Tasmat. Therefore, Upanishadam avirodhena. Therefore, what you have to say, you have to accept now. Whatever is said according to Upanishads, avirodhena, without going against to Upanishads, whatever teaching is there, any teaching, anywhere in any language, written by anyone, if it is not against to Upanishad, avirodhena, Upanishadam avirodhena. Virodha means writing contradictorily, opposite way, virodha. Avirodha means without going against to Veda but in keeping with Upanishad. They write, what will happen? Avirodhena Atmaswarupa Pratipadana Paraihi Yaihi. Those books are meant for what? All these Bhasha Granthas based on Upanishads, backed by Upanishad. What they are talking? Atmaswarupam only they are talking. We saw many Prakarana Granthas, Vakya Vritti, Avarokshanubhuti, Vedanta Tindima, Viveka Chudamani. How many Prakarana Granthas we saw? Even Dakshinamurti whole stotram written by Shankaracharya, Tatu Tvamasi, Mahavakya. That is the Mahavakya written in that slokam. Tasma Atmaswarupa Pratipadana. Pratipadana means establishing. Yehi Kaischidapi Granthai. Any Granthas, what are all there written by Acharyas talking about Atmaswarupam. That Granthas. Jnanam Jayeta Eva. Through those Granthas study, one will get Atma Jnanam definitely. Atma Jnanam will generate. Eva iti abhyupagantavyam. We have to accept abhyupagantavyam. Tat pratipadaka vakyani. Tat pratipadaka means Atma pratipadaka vakyani. Atma swarupa pratipadakam. That vakyams, sentences which are establishing the Atma swarupam. Vaidikaniva astu bhashantara bhutani va astu. Vaidikani means they may be Upanishads directly. Krishna Yajurveda, Shukla Yajurveda, Atharvana Veda, Upanishads, Vaidikani, or Bhashantaram, other languages, translations in different languages. The same content they bring in that book. I am talking in a different language. You are understanding, getting moksha or not? Definitely. So the language is not the criterion. Commentaries, prakarana granthas are not the criterion. The content is the criterion. That is very important. Bhutani va naivasti viseshaha bhashantara bhutani. Bhutani means not panchabhutas. Bhashantara bhutani. That works, texts written in different languages. Bhashantara means different languages. Other than Sanskrit ityartha. Naiva asti viseshaha. There is no any visesha in only Upanishads he will get. He will not get jnanam another. It is not there. Viseshaha na asti. Evancha. In this manner, Paurusheya granthairapi. All these Paurusheya granthas also. Paurusheya means the Upanishadic teaching they understand and they bring that teaching through their own words. It is called Paurusheya. Purusha Buddhi Dwara, they write, that's called Paurusheya Granthas. That Upanishads are not written by any person. Upanishads, they are called Apaurusheya. Because they are all revelations of God at the time of creation. Therefore, we say they are Apaurusheya Upanishads. Upanishads are Apaurusheya. All other granthas are Paurusheyam. There is an author for this. For Upanishads, there is no author. Veda is Bhagavan's Swarupam. Veda is Bhagavan, Bhagavan is Veda. So Veda is not separately seen differently from Bhagavan. That's why we respect Veda that much. Because from Bhagavan's breath they have come. Always mantras are always there. Therefore, Jnanam Jayeta iti Siddham Paurusheya Granthantaraihi api. By the Paurusheya Granthas also, Jnanam, Atma Jnanam Jayeta will generate. Now we go to the next topic, 115. Now about Guru Seva. How? Now Guru Lakshanam, Sishya Lakshanam, Guru Pradhanyata and Bhashantara Granthas also can give Jnanam. And now he is coming how the Sishya has to serve the Guru. What way they serve, that alone is the hetu, reason for the knowledge. How one should have an attitude towards the Guru. Shri Guru Seva Yasya Brahma Vido Vak Veda Vakya Samam Tameva Brahma Vidam Tameva Brahma Vidam Acharya Buddhopasita Jignasuhu Yad Upasanaya Guru Ravarjito Bhavati Tada Jignasuhu Nijaswarupam Aparokshi Karoti Etena Guru Seva Abhyadikaha Ishvara Sevataha Iti Siddhyati ईश्वर सेवा अदृष्ट फलमात्र हेतुः सद्गुरु सेवा तु दृष्टादृष्टो भयफल हेतुः धर्माधर्मोत्पत्ति द्वारा फलहेतुः फलहेतुर्यो भवति सः अदृष्टफलहेतुरिति धर्माधर्मोत्पत्तिं विनैव साक्षात् फलहेतुः यो भवति स दृष्टफलहेतुरिति चोच्यते ईश्वर सेवा धर्मोत्पत्ति द्वारा अंतःकरण शुद्धिरूप फलहेतुर्भवति अतएव ईश्वर सेवा अदृष्ट फलहेतुः सद्गुरु सेवा तु धर्मनिरपेक्षा आचार्य प्रसाद मात्रेण उपदेशात्मक फलहेतुर्भवति तस्माद् दृष्टफलहेतुः सद्गुरु सेवा इत्युच्यते किंच सद्गुरु सेवा धर्मोत्पत्ति द्वारा अंतःकरण शुद्धिरूप फलहेतुः च फलहेतुश्च ईश्वर सेवावद्भवति अतः अदृष्टफलहेतुरपि भवति एतेन आचार्य सेवा हि ईश्वरोपासनातः अधिकतराभिज्ञायते तस्मात् सर्वथा जिज्ञासु मुमुक्षुभिः श्री सद्गुरुवरः ब्रह्मनिष्ठः एव सदा सेव्यः. Now Vishaladasa praising the Guru Seva than Ishvara Seva. Ishvara Seva is not much superior with compared to Guru Seva. Guru Seva is much more superior than Ishvara Seva. How? He is explaining that. Sri Guru Seva. How to serve one's own Guru. Why one has to serve? Why it is so great? Yasya Brahmavidaha Vag. Whose speech, words, Brahmavidaha, the knowers of Brahman, Jnanis, walk, whatever comes from their mouth, Veda Vakya Sama, that Vakyam is Veda Vakyam. We should not look at the Guru as ordinary human being or she or he. That Vak is coming from the mouth. Any Prakarana Grantha, Prasthanatraya, Atma Vidya, subject matter is coming means Veda is talking. Like that we have to take. Veda Sama. It is equal to Veda. Not very, very easy. No? People take it as granted when the teacher is talking. That's why Atyanta Shraddha Bhakti is required. I have to revere the words which are coming from my Guru's mouth. Now see Veda Vakya Sama. They are equal to Veda Vakyams. Whatever, any language, whatever Guru talks, different subject matters they talk, differently they talk, so many things they talk, and middle they put jokes also. Whatever they talk, 1 hour, each word is equal to Veda. Imagine how much Shraddha student required, is it not? Veda Vakya Sama. The Jignasu student must have this much confidence about that words. Tameva Brahmavidam vidam Acharyam Buddhopasita Jignasuhu. Jignasuhu, the student, seeker. Jnatum Ichha Jignasa. The one who has got interest in studying Shastra, Jignasuhu, Upasita. He has to serve, approach the Guru with this motive. Tameva Brahmavidam Acharya Buddhya. That Guru alone is my Acharya Buddha. With that jnanam, with that knowledge in my intellect. What? The one who is talking about Atma, Brahma, Ishvara, Jagat, Jiva, they are all connected to Veda. So, this Guru alone I have to approach. This Guru I have to serve. That idea should be there in the mind of the student. Jignasuhu Upasita. What Buddhya? Acharya Buddhya. My Acharya. He is my Guru. Reverence. Respect first. That reverence, respect, Acharya Buddhya, Upasita. Just as you do Upasana of God, normally Ishwaram Upasita they say, worship God, show your devotion towards God. He is asking, worship your Guru. Upasita means worship. Worship your Guru who is talking in front of you, that Veda Vakyas, he is to be worshipped by Jignasu. Who is that Acharya? Brahmavid. Jnani Acharya. Yadopasanaya Guru Ravarjitaha Bhavati. By that Upasana, worshipping the Guru. Worshipping the Guru, you are attracted towards Guru. You are attracting the Guru. You worship the Guru, you are attracting the Guru. That means Guru looks at you, Guru wants to teach you, Guru always wants to show love, care, affection, everything. Because you are having that Shraddha. That's why Avarjitaha. Avarjitaha means attracted. Guru is attracted with that disciple. With the disciple. Very, very difficult. So, normally, Sishya has to attract the Guru. Avarjitaha bhavati. When you have that Vinayam, Shraddha, Bhakti and Jignasa, then you are attracted. You are means a disciple is attracted by the Guru. And Guru is attracted with the disciple. Avarjito bhavati. Tada, then what happens? Jignasuhu nijaswarupam aparokshikaru. That Jignasu, the student, who is having full interest. This student is mumukshu. Tibra mumukshani Guru theriyanam. And Sishya also should know that this teacher is my Guru Acharya, I want to worship him. Because this Guru is going to remove my samsara, all ajnanam. Both are having this type of attitude towards each other. Jignasuhu, that student, you have to supply one word there. Guru Upadesha Dwara. Nijaswarupam aparokshi karoti. Guru Upadesha Dwara. Then we approach the Guru, that Guru does Upadesham. Upadesham means not mantra Upadesham. Shravana, Manana. Shravana only Guru does. Mananam Nididhyasana student only has to do. நீளமாக சொல்லிகிட்டே போகக்கூடாது. டீச்சர் சொல்கிறான்னு சொல்லி சிரவணம் அப்போ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். அதுதான் உபதேசம். மனனம் இஸ் நாட் உபதேசம். நிதித்தியாசனம் இஸ் நாட் உபதேசம். Understand? Shravanam only is the upadesham. How long? Not 1 day, 1 minute, years together. So, upadesha dwara. Nijaswarupam means Atmaswarupam. One's own real nature. Aparokshi karoti. He directly understands, knows. Etena Guru Seva. Etena, by this upasana, worshipping the Guru Seva, Abhyadike Ishware Sevataha. It is superior to Ishwara Seva. You are worshipping that Lord, going to the temple, you are thinking it is greater than Guru. But Shastra says, not only Nishcharadasa, every Shastra says, even Guru Gita, if you see, Guru Gita talks about that only. Ishvara Seva is not superior. Guru Seva is superior than Ishvara Seva. That's why Ishvara Abhyadikaha. Abhyadikaha means superior. Ataha iti Ishvara Sevataha. Then Ishvara Seva, Guru Seva is superior. Iti Siddhyati. This is established. Ishvara Seva, how is it superior? Na? He is explaining. Ishvara Seva Adrishta Phalamatra Hetu. What Ishvara, if you worship God, what He gives? He gives Punyam, Adrishta Phalam. Lot of Drishta Phalam you won't get. By worshipping Lord, what you get? Adrishta Phalam, lot of Punyam you will get. Adrishta Phala Hetu, not Upadesha. Ishvara will not do Upadesha. He will bless you, that's all. The grace will come to you, that's all. Guru, Sadguru Seva too. Whereas worship of Guru, Sadguru Seva, Drishta, Adrishta, Ubhaya Phala Hetu. Guru gives Drishta Phalam also, Adrishta Phalam also. Aha. Ishvara gives only one Phalam. Guru gives 2 Phalams. What are those 2? Drishta, Drishta, he explains. Dharma, Dharmotpatti. What is Drishtam, what is Adrishtam? We saw this topic. What Dharma, Adharma, Drishta, Drishta, we saw. Now he gives Dharma, Adharmotpatti dvara phalahetuhu yo bhavati. Dharma, Adharma. Punya karma, Papa karma dvara. Whatever phalam comes, you get Adrishta phalam only. All our karmas, what we are doing, rituals, all wrong actions, whatever you do, they are giving invisible results. Adrishta phalahetuhu bhavati. Saha adrishta phalahetuhu iti dharma dharmopatti vinaeva. That alone is adrishta phalahetuhu. What? Punya karma, Papa karma. Alone is the Punya means merit, noble actions. Adharma means demerits or wrong actions. Adrishta phala hetu. They give adrishta phalam. Adrishta manna lakkan sollakudadu. Adrishta means na drishta phalam. Dharma dharmotpattim vina eva sakshat phala hetur yo bhavati. So dharma karmas, punya papa karmas give adrishta phalam. But whereas without this dharma action, punya papa karmam vina, noble actions, ignoble actions, if they are not there, vina eva sakshat phala hetuhu. That phalam which is directly coming, what is that? Saha drishta phala hetuhu. That gives drishta phalam. Iti cha uchyate. If you eat food, phalam is direct or indirect, drishtam or adrishtam? Drishta phalam. But if you do puja, yajna, yaga, homa, what gives? It gives adrishta phalam. Like that, Ishvara Seva, Dharmotpatti dvara, Suppose you worship God, Ishvara Seva, Dharmotpatti Dvara, by generating punya. Dharma Utpatti means by generating punya, what it gives? Antakarana Shuddhi Rupa Phala Hetu Bhavati. Antakarana Shuddhi is Drishta Phalam or Adrishta Phalam. Purity of the mind is Adrishta Phalam. So it is Antakarana Shuddhi comes later, much later. Today you have done puja, you get Antakarana Shuddhi immediately. No, it comes very much later. You do not know when it comes, how it comes. Adrishta phala hetuhu bhavati. Ataha eva Ishvara seva adrishta phala hetuhu. Ishvara seva, worship, gives only adrishta phalam. Sadguru seva tu, whereas Sadguru seva, dharma nirapeksha, without asking for noble actions, yajna, yaga, karmas and all. What Guru Acha Seva means Shravanam, Guru Upasana, Acharya Prasada Matrena, by the grace of the Guru. But the Prasada means here not Laddu. Prasada means because of his interest in teaching Brahma Vidya to you, because you are a Jignasu, you have Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, you are a qualified student, you have Shraddha, Bhakti, Vinayam, all this he saw, and that Prasada gives teaching to you. Matrena Upadeshatmaka Phalahetuhu Bhavati. Upadeshatmaka, he gives the teaching, that is the phalam. Tasmat drishta phala hetuhu Sadguru Seva iti uchyate. So Sadguru Seva, going to the Guru and listening to the Guru Upadesha and removal of our ajnanam is drishta phalam or adrishta phalam? Drishta phalam. My ignorance is going day by day. My ahankara is going, my kama krodhas going, all wrong thoughts are going, visible result. That's why drishta phala hetuhu Guru Seva dvara iti uchyate. Kincha, moreover, Sadguru Seva, not only that, this is drishta phalam. What? Sadguru Seva, serving to the Guru, gives drishta phalam through Upadesha. What? Jnanam. Adrishta phalam also it gives. How? Dharmotpatti dvara antakarana shuddhi rupa phalahetuhu Ishvara Seva vat bhavati. Sadguru Seva. If you serve to the Guru, it gives adrishta phalam also, because it is a punya karma. He gives teaching also, direct phalam you are getting, and serving to the Guru, it gives punyam also. All obstacles it removes. Adrishta phala rupa dharma, dharma means a punyam. Antakarana shuddhi rupa phalahetuhu Ishvara Seva vat. Just as Ishvara Seva gives antakarana shuddhi, like that, Guru Seva also gives antakarana shuddhi. So antakarana shuddhi is adrishta phala hetu. Jnanam upadesha dvara, jnanam is drishta phalam. Now which one is superior, you tell me now. Ishvara Seva gives only adrishta phalam. Guru Seva gives drishta phalam, jnanam. Adrishta phalam, punyam, antakarana shuddhi. Ishvara Seva dvara antakarana shuddhi. Guru Seva ga padna kuda antakarana shuddhi varam. And Guru gives extra what? Jnana. Appo yaar great? Guru da great. Namma mudiyilla. Unmaidane. How he is explaining? Namma mudiyadu. Kashtam da normal people ki, not for you. Those who are studying from long time, they know how great Guru is. Guru is great not because Guru. Guru is great because of Guru's teaching. The greatness goes to the teaching of that Guru. That's why Ishvara Sevavat Bhavati. Ataha, therefore, Adrishta Phala Heturapi Bhavati. Guru Seva gives Adrishta Phalam also. One stone is two manga. 2 in 1. That's why Guru Seva gives Drishta Phalam also, Adrishta Phalam also. Drishta Phalam Jnanam, Adrishta Phalam Antakarana Shuddhi. First Seva, Pandamavad Antakarana Shuddhi comes. Then teaching, Jnanam comes. Wonderful. Etena Acharya Seva. By this Acharya Seva, he means indeed, emphasis. Ishvara Upasanataha Adhikatara Vijnayate. Therefore, Guru Seva is superior than Ishvara Seva. You don't find anywhere in any Prakarana Grantha this type of explanation. That's why Nischala Dasa is very unique. Tasmat, therefore, Sarvatha, by all means, Sarvada, Sarvatha, all the time, by all means, whatever way you can serve, Jignyasuhu Mumukshubhihi, by the Jignasus who are Mumukshus, who are the desirers of moksha, for that sake they are desirous of knowing the truth. That is Jignasu, Mumukshu, 2 words he is using. எனக்கு மோட்சம் வேணும் అని சொல்லுவா சில பேர். You are a Jignasu or not? Are you interested in studying? Some people are Jignasu. They are interested in studying. Are you want moksha? No, just I am coming for academic qualification. Rendume irkanam. Jignasa also should be there. Mumukshutvam also should be there. That's why real exact students are very, very, very few. ஏன்னா எய்தர் அவங்க ஜிக்னாசுவாக இருப்பான் இல்லைன்னா முமுக்ஷுவாக தான் இருப்பான். ரெண்டு இருக்கிறதே கஷ்டம். அதுக்கு தான் ஆச்சாரியர் ரெண்டு சொல்கிறார். Many people want moksha, but they do not know. Unless I become a jignasu, I can never become a real mumukshu. Many people do not know I am desirous of Shastra. Am I interested in liberation? That's why to become a correct listener of Shastra, you have to become a Jignasu Mumukshu. இது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு 10 வருஷம் படிக்கணும். Am I Jignasu Mumukshu or not? Am I Jignasu or not? Am I Mumukshu or not? அசல் இந்த Jignasu அண்ணா என்ன Mumukshu அண்ணா என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கே 10 வருஷம் படிக்கணும். என்ன சுவாமினி இந்த 2 வேர்டு புரியாதா? புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது வேற 2 வேர்டு. அந்த 2 வேர்டுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது வேற. புரியுறதா? ஞாத்தும் இச்சா ஜிக்னாசா, மோக்தும் இச்சா முமுக்ஷா. அப்படி இல்லை. முமுக்ஷுவாக இருக்கிறது, ஜிக்னாசுவாக இருக்கிறது, அந்த இருக்கிறதுக்காக 10 வருஷம் ஆகும். எப்போ கிளாஸ் வந்துட்டே இருந்தா இட்ஸ் நாட் ஸோ ஈஸி. புரியுறது? ஐ எம் நாட் டிசப்பாயிண்டிங் எனிபடி. திஸ் இஸ் ஃபேக்ட். Hundreds of students may sit. How many jignasus are there? How many mumukshus are there? Very important. Therefore, you have to keep your hand on your chest and say, yes, I am a jignasu. I am a mumukshu, wholeheartedly, 100%. You need not tell me. You yourself, Bhagavan knows. Mumukshuvihi. Sri Sadguru Seva, Sadguru Varaha, Sadguru Varaha. See, the one, the best Guru. Who is the Guru? Sadguru, not Sadguru, Sadguru. The one who teaches Brahma Vidya. Brahmanishtaha eva sada sevyaha. Such a Brahmanishta Guru you have to serve all the time. புரியுறதா? சரி, எப்படி சர்வ் பண்ணுறது? நோ ஹி இஸ் கோயிங் டு எக்ஸ்பிளைன். சேவா சேவா சேவான்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு. என்ன எப்படி தான் சேவ் பண்ணணும்னு டோன்ட் புல் ஹிஸ் லெக்ஸ் ஆர் ஹர் லெக்ஸ். Seva and Choli, he is going to talk about that. Next topic, the down it is below, 116 it comes. Guru Seva Kramaha Sri Sadguru Labhottara Kshane Tad Darshana Matra तद्दर्शनमात्रात् साष्टांगं नमस्कृत्य तच्चरणकमलरजांसि परिशुद्धतमानि स्वोत्तमांगे धारयेत पश्चात् सद्गुरु प्रसादात् बंधमोचनकांक्षी तीव्रतर मुमुक्षु गुरुकुले ब्रह्मचारी वसेत् तस्मै स्वशरीरं मनोवाग्धनादीनि तस्मै स्वशरीरं मनोवाग्धनानि समर्पयेत्. Seva means in this manner. You have to do seva. You should not think seva means this is seva. The seva should be like this. That is why we have to learn from a guru through the shastra what is guru seva. நம்ம ஏதோ பண்ணி அது சேவா நினைச்சுக்கூடாது. நிஜமான குரு சேவான்னா என்ன? இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான டாபிக். With this topic will be over. This chapter will be over. Guru seva kramaha. Kramaha means paddhati. How to serve one's own guru. Either he or she. Sri Sadguru Labhottarakshane. Once you get the guru, Labha Uttarakshane, immediately. Once you find a guru for you, the moment you find your guru, tad darshana matrat, by just seeing him immediately or her, immediately what you have to do first? Shashtangam namaskritya. You have to do Sashtanga namaskaram. Sashtanga namaskaram first you have to do. Tat charana kamala rajamsi. That Guru's pada dhuli. Karat charana pada tat charana guru charana. Pada charana. Charana means pada. Kamala, pada kamalam, the lotus feet of your Guru's rajamsi, the dhuli. Enna pannanum? Parisuddham tamani, which are very, very pure, holy. Swottamangaihi dharayet. Uttamangam in the body is head, siras. Siras is the best among all limbs. Swa uttamangai means the best limb of your body. What is that? Siras dharayet. Nala Guru Padam Totikon Manchu Bandi Ertukanum. Guru Padam, why we are washing, and the Dhuli Ella Vanda and the Tanni Kulla. And the Tanni, people take as water tirtham and touch to their head and touch to their eyes. With full understanding we have to do. It's not joke to have Guru Bhakti and getting knowledge. You require tremendous punya for that. Therefore he says Sashtanga Namaskaram number 1. Ladies Panchanga Namaskaram. If that is not possible, at least Anjali Namaskaram. If you have back pain or knee pain. So Sashtanga Namaskaram or Chollar. If you come in early age, you can do Sashtanga Namaskaram. But people are all maximum coming in the old age. When they cannot do Sashtanga Namaskaram, they come to sit the Guru. That's why nowadays teachers cannot get Sashtanga Namaskaram out. All old students. ஒருத்தருக்கு முட்டி வலி, ஒருத்தருக்கு பேக் வலி, என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? குருகுலலுக்கு போகணும்னு சொல்கிறாரு பாருங்க. வாட் இஸ் சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம்னா இன் ஃபுட் நோட் இட் இஸ் கிவன் த டவுன் பிலோ. ஐ வில் ரீட் அண்ட் டெல் யூ தட். பத்யாம் கராபியாம் ஊருபியாம். ஸோ 8 limbs of the body should touch the floor. Padbhyam, feet should touch the first, the Shashtanga Namaskara at a prostration style. Then Karabhyam, hands also should touch the floor. Urubhyam, thighs also should touch the floor. Urasa, number 4. You have to connect pannanum. Ashtana 8 varada illiyani. Urasa, chest should touch the floor. Sirasa, head should touch the floor. Where? Bhuvi, floor. Patanam dirgha taruvad, one should fall like a tree. ஒரு big tree, how it falls like a coconut tree, அப்படியே without bend, அப்படியே சாஷ்டாங்க தண்டவத் பிரணாமம் they say taruvat pranamo shtangam uchyate. This is called ashtangam sashtanga pranamam, not pramanam, pranamam. Another sloka also there, little slight difference. Padbhyam karabhyam janubhyam, knees are given here. Urasa shirasa, chest, head, drisha, eyes are also given. You have to look at the guru. Look at the guru and do namaskara. பண்ணும்போது நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணி பார்த்து நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும், எழுந்த உடனே நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும். திருஷா நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண எழுந்த உடனே பார்க்கணும், குரு கண்ணுக்குள்ளே பார்க்கணும். நம்ம நிறைய பேர் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணி அப்படியே போயிடுவான். அவர் பார்க்குறாரோ இல்லை, யாருக்கு வேணும் திருஷா. அது வருஷம் இந்த ஸ்லோகம்ல திருஷா ஹேஸ் கம். தென் வச்சசா, ஈவன் நமஸ்காரம், நமஸ்தே, மனஸ் வாச்சசா சொல்லணும், வெர்பல்லி ஆல்சோ, மனசா மென்டல்லி ஆல்சோ, மானசிகமாக. தேர்ஃபோர் பிரணாமஹ pranamoshtangam uchyate, pranamoshtangam uchyate. This is the about sashtanga pranama. The slokam irukka, neenga paathukonga, na solliyachu. Okay, now he says namaskritya, and you have to touch that dust of that rajas, of that which is not dust. What? Parishuddha tamani. It is the most holiest thing, that dhuli. Okay, paschat, afterwards what you have to do? Not over. You have to do Sadguru prasadat bandhamochana kankshi tivratara mumukshuhu gurukule brahmachari vaset. You have to go to Gurukulam. இது எத்தனை பேருக்கு ரெலவெண்ட் இப்போ இந்த கிளாஸில்? யாருக்கு ரெலவெண்ட் இல்லை. So that is why very young age the boy or girl has to get a guru, very young age. Then Gurukulavasi, brahmachari or brahmacharini. Before marriage, brahmachari means what? How much age you can see? Before 25 and earth, 23, correct then? After 25 married, Mangalyam Tantuna over. That is why between 18 and 25, before marriage, brahmachari vaset, live in Gurukule, in Gurukulam. Tivratara mumukshu, intense desire for moksha. Bandha mochana kankshi, that brahmachari or brahmacharini must be, I want to be free from bandha. Mochana means freedom. I want to be free from bondage. Bandha mochana kankshi, desirous of Sadguru prasadat. By doing namaskara, taking his padadhuli to touching the siras, then I want moksha. That avet brahmachari. Tasmai, to such a guru, what you have to do then? Swasharira, mana, vak, dhanadini samarpayet. Inga the problem. You have to offer swashariram. Your whole body you have to offer. Just as you offer flower, your whole body you have to offer. Janaka Maharaja offer like that. That will come later. Offer your body. Then shariram, manas, whole mind has to be offered to your guru. Always Guru Chintanam only should be there in the mind. Walk, even the walk also, always your walk also should be useful for Guru only, all the time. Walk, dhanani, your dhanam also, possessions also. Adi padat, etc., etc., you can add. Adi, samarpayet, offer. Ingame nama fail I know, marks la. Paklam, what are those? Sharirarpanam, Manoarpanam, Vagarpanam, Dhanarpanam. He is going to elaborate more in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ